Each of us deserves a decent quality of life, yet in Wales, nearly a quarter of us live below the poverty line. And despite numerous anti-poverty programmes and initiatives, things have not changed in a decade. We need to tackle economic inequality and poverty now to even it up. But how? Oxfam Cymru believes the answer lies with the SLA, the Sustainable Livelihoods Approach, which has a proven track record in changing lives for the better and can produce an impressive £4.39 return on every £1 invested. The SLA works intensively with people to find long-term secure sources of income and to become resilient to life's shocks, like a relationship breaking down or falling ill, which can tip the balance and make life hard to cope with. Oxfam Cymru's SLA helps people to identify the strengths they already have, the assets they can build on to help support themselves. These strengths fall into 5 categories: human assets, like skills and knowledge; social assets, like family and community groups; physical assets, like decent housing, transport or tools for work; public assets, like a nearby community centre, a supermarket or a library; and financial assets, like wages, benefits or savings. This holistic, people-centred approach is the best way to help people help themselves, boosting self-worth, empowering people, inspiring friends and family, and in turn, strengthening communities. We know the SLA works because we have seen the results with a 9-partner project across Wales that has supported over 1,000 people.
Livelihoods has given me a new sense of direction. I was fearful of the job centre. I've never worked in a long time, and I wanted to go back to work, but I didn't have no confidence.
Because I was sort of stagnant, and now I'm not. And I've got a future because of the Livelihood Project.
If I can pass my skills on that I've learnt to somebody else and then they can do the same, it benefits the whole community.
They took the time to really listen to me and not rush me to actually make decisions quickly, so let me really have a good think about where I actually wanted to go from here.
Together, using the SLA, we can help people escape poverty and bring about lasting change for all. To learn more about Oxfam Cymru and the Sustainable Livelihoods Approach, the SLA, go to oxfam.org.uk/Cymru or contact Oxfam Cymru today.